The Prague to Vienna route is famous around Europe because of the history behind it. I'm going to start with a route talk, so we do this every day, every morning when we start riding, so at least you know what's going to happen for the next few hours. So today we have The riding on this trip is very enjoyable. It's either for active people but also recreational, and we don't get to stress people on the speed. They can just do it as they want, so it's the best. We've got plenty of options. We get to see different cities like Czech Republic, which is classified under the UNESCO heritage, so amazing town to visit and to walk through. So they are right in the middle of the town itself. You leave behind you the dense, deep forests with switchbacks along the way, pine trees that are stunning. You have different layers of colors and terrain with farmlands. The hotel where they stay on day 3 is an ancient castle from the Baroque era. This place is stunning. It's right in the middle of nowhere. For the last 2 nights, we stay in Dürnstein, right on the Danube River. They get that amazing view where a castle and ruins of a castle is on top of this hotel too. On day 5, we get to a winery that is famous for white wines, and they are biodynamic. And the fact that they have the owner who are able to prepare this kind of wine that we actually produce, they just love the experience. When we get to Austria, especially Dürnstein, food and the wine culture is something that I really enjoy sharing with them. That's what it's all about, and you get through so much history, great food, amazing people. It's just so magical.